In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up in Smartsheet. Smartsheet is an online platform that helps you manage projects, track tasks, and collaborate with your team. Before you can start exploring any of its features, you'll need to create an account. I'll walk you through the entire sign-up process, step by step, so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any modern browser you're comfortable with. In the address bar at the top, type Smartsheet and press enter. This will take you to a search results page showing different links related to Smartsheet. On the search results page, look for the official Smartsheet website. It should clearly mention Smartsheet in the main link and usually appears near the top of the results. Click on that official link to go to the Smartsheet homepage. Give it a moment to load. Once you're on the Smartsheet website, you'll see options promoting their product. Here, look for a button or link that says something like Try Smartsheet for free or Get Started for free. This is the option that lets you create a new account without paying up front. Click on that button to move to the sign up page. You should now be on the sign up screen. Here, Smartsheet will give you a few different ways to create your account. Typically, you'll see a field where you can type in your work email address, along with buttons to sign up using Google, Microsoft, or Apple. If you prefer using an email address, click inside the email field and carefully type your email. Make sure there are no typos, because Smartsheet may send a verification or important notifications there. After entering your email, follow any on-screen prompts to continue, which may include confirming your details or creating a password later in the process. If you'd rather keep things simple and use an existing account, you can choose one of the single sign-on options instead. Click on Sign Up with Google, Sign Up with Microsoft, or Sign Up with Apple, depending on what you use. Your browser may open a small window asking you to sign into that service or confirm that you want to share your basic account information